Imagine a financial world so wild, so unpredictable it feels like the Wild West on steroids. Billions lost in moments, dizzying opportunities one day, crushing despair the next. Welcome to Web3 Finance. It's been a roller coaster to say the least, often feeling like it's completely out of hand. But what if I told you there's a powerful new sheriff in town? An unlikely hero emerging from the digital shadows, ready to bring order to this chaos? Today, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is stepping in, not just to survive, but to thrive in Web3. We'll uncover how AI is becoming your ultimate guide, your guardian, and your profit maximizer in this thrilling new frontier. Get ready, because the future of your digital wealth might just depend on it. Welcome to the AI Dollar, where we unlock the power of AI to supercharge your finances. For many of us, freelancers, solopreneurs, digital workers, the term Web3 might sound like a futuristic buzzword, or perhaps just another name for cryptocurrency. But it's so much more. Think of it this way. Web 1 was about reading information online, like static websites. Web 2 is what we use today. Interactive apps like social media, cloud services, where big companies own your data. Web 3 is the next evolution, a decentralized internet built on blockchain technology, where you, the user, have more ownership and control over your data and digital assets. And within Web3 Finance, often called decentralized finance, or DeFi, is about recreating traditional financial services, like lending, borrowing, trading, and insurance, but without banks, brokers, or central authorities. Instead, it uses smart contracts on a blockchain. It's essentially finance run by code, managed by communities, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection, anywhere in the world. Why is this important for you? Because it offers unprecedented opportunities for financial independence, new ways to earn passive income, access to global markets, and the potential to truly own your digital wealth, bypassing traditional financial gatekeepers. It's a new frontier for digital assets and for your income. Sounds exciting, right? It is. But if Web3 Finance is the new Wild West, it also comes with its share of chaos and dangers. This isn't your grandma's savings account. 1. Extreme volatility. Problem. Cryptocurrency prices, which underpin much of Web3, can swing wildly. A digital asset could be up 50% one day and down 30% the next. This makes long-term planning incredibly difficult and can lead to rapid losses for the unprepared. Analogy. Imagine trying to plan a road trip when the price of gas changes by 20% every hour. It's exhilarating but also exhausting and risky. 2. Security vulnerabilities and scams. Problem. Smart contracts, the code that runs DeFi, can have bugs. These bugs can be exploited by hackers, leading to massive losses for users. We've seen billions stolen from decentralized protocols. Then there are rug pulls, where project developers disappear with investor funds. Analogy. Building a house with a blueprint drawn by someone you don't know, and hoping there are no hidden structural flaws that a thief can exploit. 3. Complexity and lack of trust. Problem. Web3 terms like liquidity pools, yield farming, impermanent loss, and gas fees are overwhelming for beginners. The anonymous nature of many projects also makes it hard to know who to trust. Analogy. You're dropped into a bustling foreign market with a new currency, a new language, and no guide. It's easy to get lost or get taken advantage of. This is where AI steps in. Imagine having an intelligent co-pilot who understands the terrain, can predict storms, and identify safe paths. AI's core strengths: processing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making rapid, emotionless decisions, are perfectly suited to tackle the very problems that plague Web3. It's no longer just an option, it's becoming a necessity. So how exactly is AI bringing order to this chaotic frontier? We're seeing incredible breakthroughs that are making Web3 safer, smarter, and more accessible for everyday users, including freelancers looking for new income streams. 1. AI for intelligent DeFi analytics and yield optimization. Breakthrough. AI models are now analyzing millions of data points across decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and liquidity pools. They can identify the most profitable yield farming opportunities, predict impermanent loss risk, and even automate complex strategies. How it helps you. Instead of manually researching dozens of protocols and calculating potential returns, AI-powered platforms can recommend the optimal place to put your digital assets for the highest, safest yield, constantly adjusting to market changes. It's like having a super smart financial advisor constantly scanning the entire DeFi ecosystem for you. Example in action. Imagine an AI platform showing you, in real time, which stablecoin pool on a specific decentralized exchange offers the best risk-adjusted annual percentage yield, factoring in gas fees and liquidity. This saves you hours of research and optimizes your passive income. 2. AI-powered smart contract auditing and security. Breakthrough. Before a smart contract, the code that governs Web3 transactions, goes live, AI tools are being used to scan its code for vulnerabilities that human auditors might miss. They can detect potential exploits, backdoors, or inefficient code. How it helps you. This makes the underlying infrastructure of Web3 more secure. When you interact with a DeFi protocol, an AI may have already checked its code for weaknesses, reducing your risk of losing funds to a hack. Example in action. Companies like Certicay use AI-driven analysis to identify critical security flaws in new blockchain projects, providing a crucial layer of trust. 3. AI for automated trading and risk management in crypto. Breakthrough. Beyond simple trading bots, advanced AI is now used to analyze market sentiment from news, social media, and on-chain data to make more informed trading decisions. They can dynamically adjust risk exposure based on predicted market shifts. How it helps you. While still higher risk, some platforms are integrating AI to help manage crypto portfolios more intelligently, potentially reducing downside during volatile periods or capitalizing on micro trends. It's not magic, but it adds a layer of sophistication. 4. AI in NFT valuation and market prediction. Breakthrough. AI models are analyzing NFT traits, sales history, community engagement, and even creator reputation to provide more accurate valuations and predict future price movements. How it helps you. If you're a digital artist or collector, AI can help you price your NFTs more competitively or identify undervalued assets, turning your creative pursuits into smarter investments. 5. AI for enhanced user experience, UX, and onboarding. Breakthrough. AI-powered chatbots and intuitive interfaces are emerging to simplify the complex world of Web3. They guide users through processes, explain jargon, and provide personalized support. How it helps you. No more struggling with confusing decentralized apps. AI can make Web3 feel less like a foreign language and more like an intuitive tool, opening up opportunities for everyone, not just tech experts. These aren't just theoretical concepts. These are real applications being developed and deployed right now, slowly but surely bringing method to the madness of Web3 finance. As powerful as AI is becoming, it's crucial to remember that it's not a silver bullet. The integration of AI into Web3 finance still faces significant hurdles and ongoing problems. 1. Regulatory uncertainty. Challenge. Both AI and Web3 are rapidly evolving fields, and governments around the world are struggling to keep up with clear regulations. This creates a legal gray area for many AI-powered Web3 financial services. Risk for you. A platform you rely on could face legal challenges or even be shut down, impacting your funds or access. Always prioritize regulated and well-established platforms. 2. The double-edged sword. Malicious AI. Challenge. Just as AI can be used for good, it can also be weaponized. Sophisticated AI bots can be used for market manipulation, pump and dump schemes, advanced phishing attacks, or to create convincing deepfakes for scams. Risk for you. You could fall victim to AI-powered scams that are far more convincing than traditional ones. Vigilance remains paramount. 3. Developer friction and interoperability. Challenge. Integrating complex AI models directly onto blockchains or making them seamlessly interact with diverse Web3 protocols is incredibly difficult and resource-intensive. Not all blockchains are designed for complex AI computation. Impact. This slows down the development of truly decentralized AI solutions and often means AI tools are operating off-chain, feeding data to Web3, rather than being fully integrated. 4. AI's limitations, black swan events, and unforeseen circumstances. Challenge. AI learns from historical data. While it excels at recognizing patterns, it struggles with truly unprecedented events, the black swans that have no historical precedent. Risk for you. During extreme, unforeseen market crashes or global events, an AI might execute strategies that are perfectly logical based on past data, but completely inappropriate for the current unique situation. Human oversight is still crucial. 5. Data quality and bias. Challenge. An AI is only as good as the data it's fed. If the market data is incomplete, manipulated, or contains inherent biases, the AI's predictions and actions will be flawed. Risk for you. Relying on an AI trained on biased data could lead to suboptimal or even damaging financial decisions. The integration of AI into Web3 is a continuous battle, not a solved problem. It's a journey, not a destination. But understanding these challenges empowers you to make more informed decisions and choose the right tools. Despite the challenges, AI is not just a theoretical fix. It's already causing significant positive disruptions in Web3. Let me paint a picture of how AI is turning chaos into clarity for everyday investors like you. Consider the problem of yield farming fatigue and rug pull risk. For freelancers and digital workers seeking passive income in DeFi, finding the best yield, the highest returns on your crypto, means constantly researching dozens of platforms, understanding their risks, and moving your assets around to chase the best rates. It's a full-time job, and one wrong move can lead to a rug pull, where the project founders disappear with your funds. This is where a new breed of AI-powered DeFi Guardian platforms emerged. Imagine a service that leverages sophisticated machine learning to do this for you. Here's how it works. This AI isn't just looking at advertised yield percentages. It's continuously analyzing hundreds of factors in real-time smart contract audits. It cross-references code audits from multiple security firms, looking for red flags. Developer activity and reputation. It tracks the on-chain history of project developers, identifying suspicious patterns or anonymous founders. Liquidity pool depth and concentration. It assesses how easily you can get your money out, reducing slippage and impermanent loss risk. Social sentiment. It even analyzes millions of social media posts and news articles for early warnings of scams or FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, around a project. Gas fee optimization. It predicts optimal times to execute transactions to minimize network fees, which can eat into your profits. The positive disruption? Previously, a freelancer might spend 3 to 4 hours a week manually researching, moving funds, and still fall prey to a high-risk project. With such an AI-powered system, you could, for example, input your risk tolerance and available stablecoins. The AI then recommends a dynamic, optimized portfolio of yield farms, moving your funds automatically, or suggesting moves for your approval, based on real-time risk assessment and yield maximization. We've seen preliminary data from such conceptual platforms demonstrating a significant reduction in exposure to high-risk rug pull projects, sometimes by as much as 80–90% compared to manual selection. Simultaneously, by constantly identifying and shifting to the most optimal, safe yield opportunities, users have reported average yield increases of 15–25% over traditional set-it-and-forget-it methods, all with drastically less time investment. This isn't about AI becoming a psychic. It's about AI providing unprecedented clarity and safety in a chaotic environment. It turns a risky full-time job into a potential passive income stream, managed by an invisible, intelligent hand. This is the true power of AI bringing control to Web3 finance. So, what are the key takeaways from this journey into Web3 finance and AI? Web3 finance is a powerful frontier for digital wealth, especially for independent digital workers. It offers opportunities beyond traditional finance. It's currently chaotic, but AI is the ultimate tool for navigation and safety. It mitigates volatility, enhances security, and simplifies complexity. Focus on reputable, AI-powered solutions that prioritize transparency and regulation. Avoid anything that promises unrealistic returns or operates in the shadows. AI isn't replacing human judgment, but augmenting it. It provides data and insights at a scale no human can match, allowing you to make smarter, more passive investment decisions. Looking ahead, we can expect AI to become even more deeply integrated into Web3. Imagine truly personalized AI financial agents that understand your unique risk profile, your freelance income fluctuations, and your long-term goals, automatically optimizing your Web3 investments. We're moving towards a future where managing your digital wealth can be as seamless and intelligent as managing your online files. The key is to learn, adapt, and embrace these powerful tools now. If this deep dive into how AI is taming the Wild West of Web3 finance has opened your eyes to new possibilities for your passive income, please smash that like button. It truly helps the AI dollar reach more ambitious freelancers and digital workers like you. What are your thoughts on AI and Web3? Have you used any of these tools? Are you ready to dive in? Let me know your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, learn how to leverage the latest AI breakthroughs for smarter investments and build lasting digital wealth, make sure you subscribe to the AI dollar right now and hit that notification bell. We're just getting started on this incredible journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.